Welcome to Sharon, guys. This home is also a potential home that can sell for a right buyer. This home is not going to be on MLS. This home is not going to be listed anytime soon, and it's only going to sell as exclusive to a potential buyer who really understands the value of a custom-built homes like that in Sharon. Those homes are located on a massive lot. It's a bungalow with 4 bedrooms on the main floor. It has a formal dining, a living, it has an office, it has all the perks that you guys need to have a luxury living, and it has a massive backyard as well. The driveway, as you can see, is a U-shape. You can take a look here. The driveway is a U-shape. It has a 3-car garage. It has an additional car garage over there, so it makes it a 4-car garage, and you can use this space as a workshop there as well. As I said, I'll show you the house inside, a beautiful home, and you know, I'm really looking for a proper buyer for this type of a home, as this street also offers all luxury homes, so you are only going to be in a neighborhood with luxury homes and neighbors. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's go and take a look inside. Now guys, let's take a look inside, as everybody will dream of an open concept with no neighbors in the backyard, and that's exactly what you get here. Formal breakfast area in the kitchen, amazing upgraded kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances. Like, this stove is luxury is not a word, that's top of the line, have never been used. It's a brand new home that has been built less than a year ago. So everything here is brand new. So you enter into the home and you really enjoy the space. The space between those cabinets and the stove to the island is massive. You have a massive island to host all your family and friends. Let's go and take a look at the house itself. And if you have any questions, obviously let me know, as this house, as I mentioned, is not on MLS, and it will never be on MLS unless we will see that the market offers what the potential value of this home is, because there's not many comparables. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know.